Hi, do you need a last minute gift for your mom for Mother's Day? It's almost here. So, I'm going to give you a great thing that all moms need. Well, moms stress out and worry a little bit, right? Because we have kids, because there's a lot we do and handle. But here is a great recipe from oils you might already have that you can make a special roller for her. Start with a pretty roller ball like this. I love golds, and my mom does too. So I'm gonna make a chill pill, stress less, just chill roller ball. You can name it whatever you like. So there's a few options. The recipe I'm gonna do is 6 drops of each, Stress Away and Valor. These smell so sweet, so relaxing that putting this on as even a perfume can just relax your mom and give her no cares in the world. Another option you might want to add or use by itself is Peace and Calming, also so sweet. So if you haven't made a roller before, this is 10 milliliters. I'm going to put 6 drops of Stress Away. Oops, I put 7. That's okay. It's mostly a blend of vanilla and lime. So you feel like you're going on vacation. Now Valor. It has blue tansy in there with among a lot of other oils, and so it's blue. Counting here, coming out slowly. If you had you use even a clear roller ball, this would have a beautiful blue color, as you could see right there. Next, I'm going to fill it up with fractionated coconut oil, and that's it. Add a beautiful label, even just with a sticker, or even if you have a piece of paper and you can use tape around it, it doesn't matter. And name it for your mom. There you go. So there is a fast and customizable gift for mom for Mother's Day. Just chill.